All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of the Community Call. Let's start with our usual check with the team. Does anyone on the team want to share something with the community?
We haven't had a release in a while, and we pushed one on Friday. Yeah, there is the usual place for the release notes. One thing I remember is the fix for Firefox, where the new versions has the layers reordered, so that was resulting some poor image quality from Firefox in some cases. That's it.
Thanks, Damien. Anyone else? Okay. Opening the mic to the floor. Any questions or comments from the community? Go ahead, Ed.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay, yeah, I'm a screen reader user on Mac OS, and uh I recently tried to give a presentation where I needed to share my screen, and the problem that I ran into was I hit the share screen button. Uh, but I didn't get any voiceover feedback, voiceover screen reader on Mac. I didn't get any voiceover feedback, like nothing had happened. But I've been since told by reliable sources that it pops up a dialog asking you to choose which, either the whole screen or some app or some window on some app, right? Um, and I can't see that. However, I can go to the item chooser and I can navigate down to that supposed dialogue. It's not labeled nicely, but it just sort of says, meet that jit dot si, another separate window, right? And I can select it, but then once I'm in there, right, it doesn't seem like I can interact with the items to choose the whole screen or choose the app that I want. So I think it might be like, I'm not a accessibility engineer, but there's ARIA tags, right? That do announcements for pop-up dialogues and things. Does anybody know anything about this?
Which browser were you using?
Well, I tried both Safari and Firefox. I got different results on both, but let's concentrate on Safari, which is built in.
Which one we concentrate on depends on you, because these windows are not something that we build. Those are browser windows. They are the browser is the one that's popping it up, and we have zero control over how it displays. It's You make a call that says make the user choose what they want to share, and from that point on, the browser takes over. So my only piece of suggestion here is to also try Chrome or Edge.
Yeah, that was going to be my next attempt at troubleshooting it, was installing Chromium, or Edge or something on
Right.
my Mac. But the other thing is, I assume you're using a JavaScript call to open that dialog. Is that correct?
Yes, but it's not a JavaScript call that opens a dialog. It's a JavaScript call that triggers the screen sharing process, and then the browser opens a dialog as a result of that.
Oh, I see. So that's not code that you guys have written. It's just built
Exactly.
into the browser.
Exactly.
Okay. That sort of clears that up a little bit. So maybe it's just a bug in Mac OS. That could be it.
I mean, maybe, but my first guess would be that it's something that the browser is doing wrong. rather than macOS itself.
Right, and I did get a note recently that there was an update to Safari just within the last week or so. So I haven't applied that update yet, so I could try it out. Yeah, I got a couple of people that have been helping me out testing it, just starting up a one-to-one Jitsi call. So, well,
Mhm.
thanks for the help. I appreciate that.
Yeah, hope it helps. And would be interested to hear whether Chrome and Edge behave better.
Yeah, how would you like me to give you feedback on that on
Yeah, you
GitHub
can
or?
either on community.jitsi.org, or you can just drop by on the next call and let us know how your experimentation went.
Oh, great, thanks. Yeah, I'll see if I can do that. Should be in the 2 weeks, I guess. Would
Yeah,
that be last week? Okay, great. Thanks.
yeah, sure. Thanks for chiming in. Anyone else? Okay, doesn't sound like there's anything else for today. So thanks everyone for stopping by, and see you again in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.
Bye.